In this video, we are going to talk about the concept of color in artwork. Knowing this important art term will help you better understand painting, so let's begin. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. In the art world, color is the general term that covers every hue and shade of the light spectrum as we see it with our eyes. The colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet make up the rainbow. So, if you've seen a rainbow, you know what color is. What you might not know is, in nature and in art, color has a profound effect on the viewer. If color is a general term to describe the entire rainbow, hue is the descriptor for the specific shade we're talking about. Color mixing is typically described in terms of 3 primary colors and 3 secondary colors. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. These colors are considered primary because it takes no mixing to create them. They are pure pigment. When you mix primary colors together, you get a secondary color. Some examples of secondary colors are purple, which is made by mixing blue and red, green, which is made by mixing blue and yellow, and orange, which is created by mixing yellow and red. You can even create tertiary colors by mixing a secondary color with a primary color. 2 examples of tertiary color are blue-green and yellow-orange. If this video helped you understand the concept of color in art today, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos just like this. Receive your acrylic painting supply list and paintbrush guides to help you get started. Just visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides.